Hi, I'm Jeff and I'm Glynn, and we're your parts and accessories team at Rolling Thunder Harley-Davidson. Now that we're up and running at our new premises at 85 Morehouse Ave, we thought we'd run through a few of the products we have here so you can get the best out of owning a Harley-Davidson.
We have a huge range of parts and accessories in store: batteries, tyres, anything to maintain your bike, oils, plugs, filters, we've got the lot.
We can help make you more comfortable on your bike for those longer trips. That could be a new seat, windscreen, forward controls. We can help with luggage for the trips, LED lighting, great range of products, all to help you get the best out of the bike.
We can help you customise your bike with your own personal styling, or if performance is your thing, we can certainly help with engine upgrades.
When you're not riding, we've got a great range of cleaning products to help keep your pride and joy looking like new.
So come on down and see us at our new home, or give us a call or an email. Happy to help you out.